They said you started singing. I need to listen to your song.
Yeah, I have some good music.
Really?
Though I enjoy your music as well. You know.
I just like started again. You know what I'm saying? I'm so happy to have you. I'm a fan of yours.
Oh, this sounds good. You know, you sound good. You sound seductive, and
Yo, that's crazy.
Let me get Blessing in here real too.
Oh, is that Winnie or Mummy? Oh,
It is, bro. That's the one I was telling you about. She be dancing hella good. Winnie, so
wait,
what's your huh?
Abba, you singer?
I
what about
am.
Winnie? Are you single?
Wait, Gaza, wait. Like this dude sounds so good. Like
Oh,
do you have a girlfriend?
Do I have a girlfriend? All my boys in here single.
Yo.
no, I'm not single. I'm not single. I have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend.
Muwala.
I have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend.
No, DK has a girlfriend. I can't lie. DK actually has a
I
girlfriend.
seen DK posted his little surprise. DK, you did your thing, bro.
Do this thing still.
Look, Abba, you're next.
I'm next.
You're next.
Head ass.
Wait, Abba, I'll come in your DM.
You're gonna text me?
Yeah, I'm gonna text you.
Alright, send me your WhatsApp number.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That is him.
Winnie wa mami okweyagaliza wama si kibi nze nkuwagira genda mu maaso weeyagalize ate mannange naye ate awo obeera oyingiridde muwala wa Desire Luzinda. Winnie wa mami oli mu kulingiriza amaka ga muwala wa Desire Luzinda. Anti Shiba Karundi ye agamba it's a beautiful family and I wanted to be part of it. Kati Winnie wa mami yalabe beautiful couple. Kati ayagala kubeera part of the beautiful couple. Mutabani wa Dr. Jose Camillion Abba Marcus babaddeko ku live ya TikTok. Era bw'atyo Winnie wa mami webamulesa yabulizaawo are you single? Kati ate Winnie wa mami tukumanyi nti olina boyfriend wo. Kati ate obuuza Abba Marcus are you single? Kati awo mbeera simanyi ki ky'otegeeza naye ye life gye tutambuliramu. Walabe beautiful couple yagala kubeera part of it. Nasemba okumanyanga mutabani wa Dr. Jose Camillion bali bulala nnyo ne muwala wa Desire Luzinda. Nga bali bulala nnyo ne muwala wa Desire Luzinda. Naye okusinzira nti neera actually entambula eno bano batambula nnyo naali eno n'agenda okukomawo ndowooza bayinza okulemerera okubeera nga bali oba bali mu long distance relationship tomanya. Naye Winnie wa mami nze sikulinaako buzibu kubeera part of that beautiful couple. Genda maaso maama sabula tugende sabulira ddala ate tunaagamba ki 225 yakatandika tukole ki kankusaba subscribing ano ku SMX Media tojja kwera ngo missing updates naddala nga zino gwana business oli wadde mutukubirako siru kweyo namba y'essimu tujja saba bunnyo kulangira business yo wano ku SMX Media.